Hi folks, Lee Gettess here with the Market Sense for the week of October 3rd, 2017. The charts in this presentation are provided to us by Gettess and their Trade Navigator software. The first chart we're looking at is a weekly bond market chart, and they've had a little sell-off here from the high from about 4 weeks ago now. They certainly look like they could go lower. The momentum indicator down here is pretty deep. However, 3 weeks down from a high like this, 3 consecutive lower lows, is quite common to be a period of time for a retracement. They could certainly have gone down to the 151.14 support and potentially still could, but they have actually made just a marginal new low. I think it's 2 ticks below that low is what they've been today or this week. So that's a good reason for them to be a little bounce, and I would expect them to bounce at least to the resistance here around 153.10. That is the resistance that should hold if they are going to continue lower. Although they could consolidate and not go lower this week. And if they show a little more strength, they could get up here to the middle moving average, which is around 154.11. And, you know, that's not a guarantee that they won't go lower from there either. Now, if they should reach the upper moving average, which is above 155.20, that'd be pretty positive. So they're probably not going down this week if they do that. Also, just looking at the chart, if this week doesn't do a whole lot more and just stays like a tiny range compared to the last few weeks, that would make a lot of sense also. But I really think buying early was the play this week, and you know, might only be to 153.10 though, so I'm not sure how much is in this really. But there's more in it than there is in stocks, and here's why. Stocks are, this is the S&P 500 E-mini, and they're just running to new highs, and there's not a whole lot you can do about that. We would have liked to have gotten a chance to buy support in the 2508 area here, all the way at the upper moving average. That would have been good support, but you can see they've just opened higher and kept going. The initial resistance is 25.29, and they're above that as of Tuesday's close. So, you know, there's not much you can do in a situation like this at new all-time highs. You try to buy support if you get the chance, and if they go to new all-time highs again, you'd simply have to get out of the way. You're not going to be right very often selling that. So we're kind of locked out and just waiting to see what might happen. I would gather they're happy that there seems to be a fairly healthy discussion about tax cuts. A little surprised that they're not bothered by anything else that's going on in the world, be it shootings or discord with North Korea, or even the fact that we're going to have to spend a lot of money to fix problems in Texas, Florida, and the Caribbean. Doesn't seem to bother them. They're going up anyway. So again, market making new highs, just get out of the way. You don't want to be a hero and try to sell that. And unfortunately, the chance to buy did not set up this week. They've already gone to resistance, so getting to support now would not be something I'm interested in. So that's what we've got for you today. I hope you can find something profitable to get yourself into.